Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's Catherine and I'll be here again with another hairstyle video. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I made this beauty right here. So if you're interested in seeing the process, everything I did, why not keep on watching? And with no further ado, let us dive right in. To begin, I will start by moisturizing her hair with this DIY hair butter I made. If you haven't seen the video of how I made this hair butter, please check the video before this. I will also leave it in the description box. So after applying it evenly all over her hair, I went ahead to brush out the hair, and now I am sectioning it out. I'm parting a straight line from one ear to the other, and I'll go in to clean out the line with shine and jam, and pat it out again to make sure that the line is sleek. So after that, I will start patting out, I'll pat out the line like the way I will work with. I'll just pat out the straight line here, which I'll further pat into two. For each straight line I will pat out in this section I'm working on, I will pat into two. Okay, so next I'll go ahead to start tying with a rubber band. This is the one I'm using. Please don't ask me where I got it from because I wouldn't recommend this. They actually broke a lot. I had to change it. I had to change this rubber band last minute to something else, which was way better. Sorry I didn't take a picture of the one I later changed to. By the way, I'm using just a color because I didn't want it to be extremely childish by using multicolor. Yeah, I'm just using a column. So I will tie both lines or sections I parted out into rubber bands, and I will go ahead to pat out another line, pat into two again, then I will start criss-crossing. But before that, I will use my shine and jam to slick out the ends of the one that are already tied in a rubber band, comb it out, make sure it's sleek, and then I will further tie, just like I'm doing this. You guys should just watch what I'm doing because my explanation wouldn't cut it as much as seeing it. But let me just go on explaining though. Just this whole crisscross vibe with rubber band, crossing one end to the other, just like that. I'll continue with the same method. I'll pat into two. For this one I already patted out. Then I'll prep the previous one I already put into rubber band, prep it, slick it to make sure there is nothing wobbly. So I'll go ahead to put into rubber band the new ones I just sectioned out, and I will take from this other side, giving that whole crisscross thing, tie everything together. I will do the same thing for this other side, slick down the previous hair in your rubber band, then tie it onto this one here. First of all, tie it into a rubber band and add the other one, making the whole crisscross thingy, and tie everything together literally. So I'll continue with this process till I am done with this section of the hair, with this whole front part. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this front part, for this section, and I'm gonna move on to the back. But first of all, I'm just gonna go ahead to moisturize our hair for easy sectioning with my clove water, and after that I'll go on to pat out a straight line all the way to the front, or to the middle before the crisscross parts and with the at the front. Next, I'm just going to go ahead to pat out the line to make the cornrow like I did on the other side. You guys are seeing the cornrow on this other end. So I will section out a pattern all the way to the back in this style, in this method. Not see, I don't think my explanation is gonna cut it. I will just keep calm and stop talking and allow you guys to see what I'm doing for yourself, because this video is already visually explained. There is no need for me saying anything at all. It's really not necessary. So let me just shut up. So now that I've successfully put both parts of the hair into a bun, I'm just gonna go ahead to braid out with this extension. Is a Brazilian wool. You can use the normal extension attachment. You can use that to extend or braid out, or you can just, if your child's hair is long, you can just braid out with a natural hair and just, you know, roll it over on the roots in form of a bun, just like I am doing. And I will just use a rubber band to secure it so it doesn't unravel. And this is the extension that I'll be using. It is called figure 8 mambo figure 8. I got it from a local market around me, but in case you can't access this easily, you can check the link in the description box. I have something similar in my Amazon storefront, so you can check this. Click on the link in the description box. It will take you directly to a storefront where you can see a similar extension. Okay, so I'll just go ahead to start crocheting it onto the bone we just tied. That is the whole essence of the extension, the bone. That's the whole essence of it. So I'll just start conrolling it onto it. I will start crocheting it onto it. So just a few pieces, about 10 pieces, I think. Yeah, actually 10 on each side, 10 strands, 10 of this extension. Crochet it onto that on each side. I'll repeat the same process on this other side. Crochet the extension onto the bone, and that's it. So this is the accessory I'll be using to tie the ends of the extension, you know, to beautify it so everything will look so glamour. So I'll just cut this end. I'll cut it, then I will start using this accessory to tie it. You know, it's given bead vibe, but this is not bead. It's almost like scrunchies, but not bead scrunchies or whatever. I'll just tie it onto it, and that's it. That's pretty much it. So baby girl was seriously feeling sleepy, and I was just trying to hurry up to finish up everything. I mean, we are almost done, so there was no point in just going to lay her down and continue later. We were almost done. Like, this is like the last stage, literally. So I didn't stop there. I went to the hair to add more accessories. I used this beady scrunchies or whatever. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Look at my baby girl. So let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Will you be trying it out on your little one? And if you do, and you happen to share on your IG, tag me and I'll definitely repost on my story. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, I don't know what you're waiting for. You are owing me. Just know that you are owing me, because whenever you watch my video and you don't give the video a thumbs up, you are definitely owing me, and you wouldn't want to owe me, right? So do the needful and subscribe if you haven't. And with that, see you in my next one. Bye bye.
Over here, I can feel you over here. You take up every corner of me.